How to turn off VoLTE calls. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off VoLTE calls. VoLTE stands for Voice over Long-Term Evaluation or Voice over LTE. It offers the possibility of voice call via the LTE or 4G mobile network. If you would like to turn off VoLTE calls on your Android phone, then you can simply follow these steps. First of all, you'll need to open the device settings. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the settings or gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Now here, you will need to find the connection option, or in some devices, you'll also get to find network and internet option. Since I could see connection option, simply tap on the connections and then inside it look for mobile networks. Once you find the mobile network, simply tap on it to open it, and here inside you'll be able to see VoLTE calls, which is currently turned on. You'll be able to see the toggle button at the right side. Now, in order to disable it, you will need to simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of it in order to turn it off. Once you do so, your phone will revert to using older network technologies like 3G for voice calls if supported by the network. If in case you didn't find this VoLTE settings on your device, then you may also come back to the previous homepage. Here tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and then search for VoLTE. You'll be able to see the VoLTE option once you search in the search bar. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn off VoLTE calls on your Android phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.